If you're having trouble logging into websites on Firefox, yeah, that can be really annoying, especially when passwords are correct, but login just won't work. Let's fix it step by step. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. I mean, slow or unstable internet can break login sessions easily. Next, close Firefox completely and reopen it. Temporary session bugs can stop websites from logging you in properly. Now, clear cookies for the specific website you're trying to log into. Yeah, corrupted login cookies are a very common cause of login loops. Next, disable all extensions temporarily. I mean, ad blockers and privacy tools often interfere with login forms. Now, try logging in using a private window. This disables cookies and extensions and helps isolate the issue. Next, check if autofill is entering the wrong password. Yeah, sometimes saved credentials are outdated or incorrect. Now, clear cache and site data. I mean, old session data can block new login attempts. Next, turn off any VPN or proxy. Some websites block logins from unusual IP addresses. Now, make sure Firefox is updated. Yeah, outdated browsers can break authentication systems. If nothing works, reset Firefox settings. I mean, this restores default configuration and fixes deep login issues. And that's it. One of these fixes should solve Firefox login issues on websites and get you signed in again.